When you think of the most sophisticated tools in the natural world, you might picture a bird's intricate nest, a beaver's sturdy dam, or a spider's delicate web. But few natural structures are as engineered, precise, and deadly efficient as the fangs of a venomous snake. These are not just sharp teeth for biting, they are nature's very own hypodermic needles, built over millions of years to deliver venom with pinpoint accuracy. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden mechanics of snake fangs, uncovering how these tiny hollow structures work, how they evolved, and why they remain one of the most remarkable adaptations in the animal kingdom. This is the untold story of venomous snake fangs, nature's perfect injection system. To understand snake fangs, we first have to step back in time. More than 30 million years ago, the earliest snakes had simple, conical teeth, meant for gripping and swallowing prey whole. Venom, at first, was a mild saliva toxin, used to subdue small animals. But as snakes evolved to hunt faster, more agile, prey, their teeth began to change. Random genetic mutations created small grooves in some teeth, allowing venom to flow toward the bite wound. Over millennia, those grooves deepened, closed up, and formed hollow tubes, turning ordinary teeth into specialized fangs that could inject venom directly under the skin, just like a doctor's syringe. This transformation wasn't random. It was a survival superpower that let snakes take down prey much larger than themselves, without expending endless energy chasing or wrestling. Let us start with the basic anatomy of a venomous snake fang. At first glance, it looks like a sharp, curved tooth, but its internal structure is nothing short of engineering brilliance. The outer layer is hard enamel, the same substance that covers human teeth, designed to resist wear and tear as the snake bites through skin, fur, or scales. Beneath the enamel is a layer of dentin, the tough bone-like tissue that gives the fang its strength. Running straight through the center of every functional venomous fang is a narrow, hollow canal. This is the core of the hypodermic mechanism. This canal connects directly to the snake's venom glands, which sit behind its eyes, tucked into the muscles of its upper jaw. Not all snake fangs are the same, and that's where the real diversity of this adaptation shines. There are three main types of fangs in venomous snakes, each built for a different hunting style. The first and most advanced is solenoglyphous fangs, found in vipers, rattlesnakes, and copperheads. These are long, hollow, and hinged, meaning they fold flat against the roof of the snake's mouth when not in use, then swing forward into position in a split second when the snake strikes. This hinge system lets vipers have extremely long fangs, some up to 2 inches long in large bushmasters, perfect for penetrating thick fur or tough hide. When the viper bites, powerful jaw muscles squeeze the venom glands, pushing venom through the hollow canal and out a small opening near the tip of the fang, directly into the prey's tissue. It is fast, it is clean, and it is 100% effective at delivering a lethal dose. The second type is proteroglyphous fangs, which belong to elapids, cobras, king cobras, mambas, and coral snakes. These fangs are shorter, fixed in place at the front of the mouth, and permanently erect. They don't fold back like viper fangs, but they still have the same hollow canal for venom delivery. Elapids often use quick repeated bites to inject venom, and their neurotoxic venom targets the nervous system, paralyzing prey within seconds. Because their fangs are fixed, these snakes tend to hunt smaller, faster prey like birds, lizards, and other snakes, relying on speed over deep penetration. The third type is opistoglyphous fangs, or rear fang snakes, like boomslangs and hognose snakes. These fangs are smaller, located at the back of the upper jaw, and have a shallow groove instead of a fully closed hollow canal. Rear-fanged snakes must chew their prey to work venom into the wound, making their delivery system less efficient than front-fanged snakes. Most rear-fanged snakes are harmless to humans, but a few, like the boomslang, have potent venom that can cause severe harm. This type of fang is considered the most primitive, a stepping stone in the evolution from simple teeth to the advanced hypodermic fangs of vipers and elapids. Now, let us break down the step-by-step process of how a snake's hypodermic fang works in action. It all starts with the strike. A venomous snake can strike at speeds of up to 6 miles per hour, reaching its prey in less than 1/10 of a second, faster than the human eye can follow. As the snake's jaws open wide, its fangs move into position. Hinged fangs swing forward, fixed fangs stay ready. The fangs pierce the prey's skin, and the snake's jaw muscles contract with intense force. This pressure compresses the venom glands, forcing venom through the hollow canal inside the fang. The venom exits through a tiny hole at the fang's tip, just like the end of a syringe needle, and flows directly into the prey's muscle tissue or bloodstream. The entire process takes less than half a second, and the venom begins working immediately, whether it's neurotoxins that paralyzes, hemotoxins that breaks down tissue, or a mix of both that stops the heart or lungs. What makes this mechanism even more incredible is that snake fangs are replaceable. Just like sharks, snakes shed and regrow their fangs throughout their lives. If a fang breaks off during a bite or a fight, a new, fully formed fang is already waiting in the gum tissue to take its place within days. This backup system ensures that a snake never loses its ability to hunt and defend itself, a critical adaptation for a predator that relies entirely on its venom and fangs to survive. The genius of snake fangs hasn't gone unnoticed by humans. In fact, the modern hypodermic needle, one of the most important medical tools ever invented, was directly inspired by the structure of venomous snake fangs. In the 19th century, doctors and scientists watched how snakes injected venom under the skin and realized they could copy that design to deliver medicine, vaccines, and anesthesia safely into the human body. Before this, medical injections were crude and often dangerous, but the snake's hollow fang gave us the blueprint for the sterile, precise needles we use today. This is a perfect example of how nature's designs can solve human problems, proof that evolution is the ultimate engineer. Beyond their mechanical brilliance, snake fangs play a vital role in keeping ecosystems balanced. Venomous snakes are top predators that control populations of rodents, insects, and small reptiles. Without snakes, rodent numbers would explode, leading to crop damage, the spread of disease, and a collapse in the food chain. Their fangs aren't just weapons. They are a key part of the delicate balance that keeps wild habitats healthy. Unfortunately, many people fear snakes and see them as threats, leading to unnecessary killing and habitat loss. But when we understand the science behind their fangs and their role in nature, we can learn to respect these creatures instead of fear them. Let us clear up some common myths about snake fangs while we re-at it. First, not all snakes with fangs are venomous. Some non-venomous snakes have large, sharp teeth for gripping prey, but they lack the hollow canal and venom glands. Second, snakes don't chase humans to bite them. Most bites happen when people accidentally step on or disturb a snake, which sees the bite as a defense, not an attack. Third, a snake doesn't waste venom on every bite. They can control how much venom they inject, sometimes giving a dry bite with no venom at all to save their toxin for hunting prey. These myths come from fear, not facts, and learning the truth about snake fangs helps us coexist peacefully with these amazing reptiles. Think about the diversity of snakes that rely on these hypodermic fangs. The desert rattlesnake, with fangs built to pierce tough reptile scales. The rainforest king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, with fangs that can take down other snakes. The African black mamba, one of the fastest and most venomous snakes, with fangs that deliver a neurotoxic bite that can kill a human in hours. Each of these snakes has fangs tailored to its habitat, its prey, and its way of life. Every curve, every hollow canal, every hinge is a product of millions of years of natural selection, fine-tuned to perfection. When you look at a snake fang under a microscope, you're not just seeing a tooth, you're seeing a masterpiece of evolution. It has a tiny, lightweight structure that combines strength, precision, and efficiency in a way no human-made tool could match for millions of years. It has a reminder that the natural world is full of hidden engineering wonders waiting for us to study and understand. As we wrap up this deep dive into snake fangs, it is clear that these small, sharp structures are far more than just a weapon. They are a hypodermic needle, crafted by nature, a medical inspiration, a key to ecosystem balance, and a symbol of evolution's endless creativity. The next time you hear about a venomous snake, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science behind its fangs, the perfect blend of form and function that has kept snakes thriving for tens of millions of years. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel